Struggling to find the right way to stay fit at home? Here are the 5 best stationary exercise bikes I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Marich Exercise Bike. Let's kick things off with the Marich Exercise Bike. Priced at $189.50, its sleek design and smart features grabbed my attention right away. If you want a quiet, customizable workout experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a self-developed app that syncs with Google Fit and Apple Health, helping you track your distance, time, and calories burned in real time. This means you can monitor your progress effortlessly, which is crucial if you're serious about weight loss. Plus, with a weight capacity of 300 pounds and a low noise level under 25 dB, it's perfect for early risers or anyone living in an apartment. You can pedal away without disturbing anyone. The adjustable seat and handlebars make it user-friendly for anyone between 4'8" and 6'2", helping you find that perfect fit. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, it arrives 80% pre-assembled and you can get it set up in about 30 minutes. So as long as you're willing to follow a few instructions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a budget-friendly option that won't wake up the whole house. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or heavy-duty usage. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the assembly concerns about the Marich bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its user-friendly design. Product number 2, Marich Advanced Exercise Bike. Another option from Marich, this one priced at $279.99. The first thing that struck me was its reinforced frame and whisper-quiet magnetic resistance. If you're looking for a bike that grows with you as your fitness level improves, this is a strong contender. The 40% increased stability over traditional bikes means you won't feel any wobbling during your most intense sessions. The micro-adjustment resistance allows you to easily switch from a gentle warm-up to a full-on leg burn without any fuss. This feature is key for anyone serious about efficient fat burning or leg and glute sculpting. Plus, the integrated app support makes tracking your metrics seamless, syncing effortlessly with fitness platforms like KinoMap and Zwift. Now, some users mentioned that it's on the heavier side, which could make it a bit cumbersome to move. Here's the thing though. With that extra weight comes stability. If you're planning to really push your limits, it's worth it to have a sturdier frame. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a quiet bike that can handle intense workouts. Skip this one if you need something ultra light or are limited on space. For the features and quality, the price is quite reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more traditional design. Product number 3, the Yosuda Exercise Bike. Priced at just $170.97, I was impressed by its smooth riding experience and the additional safety features. If you want a reliable bike with a solid brand reputation, this one is worth your attention. The 25 pounds flywheel paired with a heavy-duty steel frame gives it a stable feel, meaning you can focus on your workout without worrying about the bike tipping over. The adjustable cage pedals are a great touch too, preventing slipping during those high-intensity sessions. It also includes a smart app that allows you to engage with various riding scenarios, which is perfect if you enjoy a bit of competition or variety in your workouts. Now, some users have reported that it takes a bit longer to assemble than expected, but honestly, once you get it set up, you're good to go for years. It's a bit of a trade-off, but worth it for the price and features you get. This bike is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on stability and ride quality. Skip this one if you're seeking something with more advanced tech features. For what you pay, it offers impressive quality and reliability. Now, if you're still on the lookout for something that can double as a total body workout, the next bike could be just what you need. Product number 4, the Barwing Stationary Exercise Bike, priced at $179.99. I found its foldable design particularly appealing for anyone with limited space. If you're looking for versatility in your workouts, this bike offers a unique 5-in-1 approach. With 16 levels of adjustable resistance, you can tailor your workouts as you progress. The 20 dB noise level means you can pedal away while watching TV or listening to music without interruption. Plus, the added resistance bands allow you to work your upper body during your cycling sessions, giving you a full body workout without having to switch equipment. However, some users did mention that the seat could be a bit uncomfortable for longer rides. Here's the thing though, it's easy to adjust so you can find a position that works for you. And if you're just starting out, this shouldn't deter you from trying it. This bike is perfect for you if you want a compact, multifunctional machine that can grow with your fitness journey. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for cycling. Overall, it offers great value for the diverse features it brings to the table. Lastly, if you want something with a bit more tech integration, the next product might catch your interest. Number 5. YPOO Exercise Bike. Retailing at $169.99. What stands out here is its Bluetooth app connection and quiet operation. If you're someone who enjoys interactive workouts, this bike could be a great match for you. The industrial-grade bearings and maintenance-free belt drive ensure a quieter ride, making it ideal for shared living spaces. The app allows for immersive training courses and global challenges, keeping you motivated and engaged during your sessions. Plus, with 330 pounds of weight capacity, it accommodates a wide range of users comfortably. Some customers have pointed out that the monitor could be more user-friendly. I'll be real with you, if you're someone who heavily relies on tech, this might feel a bit lacking, but it still provides essential metrics to track your progress effectively. This bike is perfect for you if you value app connectivity and quiet operation. Skip this one if you need advanced metrics or features. For the price, it offers solid value and decent performance for home workouts.
So to wrap it all up, we looked at the MARACH exercise bike for quiet workouts, the advanced MARACH for stability, Yasuda for reliability, Barwing for versatility, and the YPOO for tech integration. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the advanced MARACH because of its stability and features that grow with you. I recommend avoiding the YPOO if advanced metrics are a priority for you.